Unlike windows, doors tap into both sides of the buying process, the need side as well as the want side. And what we all know is that people spend more money on what they want. Therefore, the beautification of their home is very important. It dresses up the front door, the back door, the garage door, any door they come in. And the nice thing about that is they're always using a door. Again, unlike a window they buy today and don't really touch tomorrow, a door is touched every day. After beauty comes energy efficiency. And when you look at energy efficiency, if you put a door together, it's sealed up tight with the right weather stripping, it's insulated core, and materials that last forever. That's the whole concept. Durability is very important. Unlike builders who wanted a door designed as inexpensively as possible to fit into the price range of a home, those doors are designed to last for 1 year because that's how long the builder warranties the home. We said that wasn't good enough at Wincore, and what we wanted to do is provide you with a replacement door that would last you a lifetime, because you really only want to do this one time. Now let's take a look at the way doors are built today and see some of the things that motivated us to change the industry into the way doors will be built tomorrow. First off, why change your door? Is it making your home look bad? Is it not working properly? Maybe your home's leaking water. Maybe it's leaking air. All of these things lead to the ultimate thing of rotting. All of this leading to a lack of energy efficiency, which raises your utility costs, takes more money out of your pocket, and makes your living conditions much more uncomfortable. Maybe you have a steel door, thought that was the answer to all your problems, only to find out over time it begins to rust if it's not painted, maintained, and sealed properly. And unfortunately, the inside and the outside are steel, but the surrounds on the top, the bottom, and the sides are many times made of wood. And the moisture and sweating on your steel door over time cause your door to rot from the inside out. Let's talk a little bit about rotting and rusting. How do you overcome that? Well, there's 3 basic frame types available in the market today. The first one that most people use is just simply finger joint wood. Small pieces of wood glued together to appear like a long plank. The problem with finger joint is it can only be painted, and the paint gets absorbed into the joints much quicker, so they're exposed, and it will rot over time. End of the day, no lifetime warranty. Then let's step up to the other most common package, which would be called a frame saver system. Again, simply a finger joint jam system married into a composite portion at the bottom, usually only about 9 to 12 inches. Problem is, you still can't stain it. The paint still absorbs into the joints that are exposed, and it still will rot over time. And again, there's no lifetime warranty. That's why we thought there would only be one system acceptable for a Wincore entry door, and that would be a full composite frame system. 100% composite fiber frame system, standard on every door that we make. It is stainable or paintable. It is textured or smooth. It has 2 times the screw fastening strength of finger joint wood. It will not rot, and it is guaranteed to last a lifetime. The last door you'll ever need to buy. Another key component to the door is the brick mold system on the exterior. Again, most manufacturers use that finger joint material to make their brick mold, and us have to raise it up off of the ground so it doesn't absorb moisture. Other companies will take and they will wrap that with a metal material, a PVC coated metal, to seal it up against Mother Nature. The problem is it will sweat underneath and it will rot, and you'll never even see it happening. What we chose to do is go with, again, a full composite brick mold. We offer the brick mold with a textured and smooth finish for paintable or stainable, and it's designed and engineered to last a lifetime. Now we move into sill systems. Primarily used in today's marketplace are a traditional wood threshold, which we all know if you don't keep sealed will rot very quickly over time. Then it moved into aluminum thresholds. Sounds great for durability, and it has some strength. However, it's hollow underneath. You ever walked across that threshold and everything creaks and cracks? It's usually an aluminum that has no stability underneath. So they thought they'd do something neat and put some wood filler underneath that aluminum cap and prop it up, give it some strength and durability. The only problem, as you see here, is water runs down the wall, runs down to the threshold, and aluminum will sweat a little bit. And so that wood rots underneath again, creating a problem that you can't see, but it's still yet a problem that you need to deal with. So we thought at Wincore the only way to solve that would be to go to a full composite threshold system with a thermally broken aluminum cap to the exterior of the home to give you strength, durability, and a sill that will not rot, guaranteed to last a lifetime. The last component to our door system would be the slab. Slabs can be made of many materials, from wood to steel, which we've talked about rusting already and how that breaks down over the course of time, and move now into fiberglass. Fiberglass skin is impervious to water, and many manufacturers offer a fiberglass skin door. However, what they forget about are the stiles and the rails, which is the sides of the door, the top of the door, and the bottom where your threshold comes together. Those, however, are made of wood on most companies' doors. With Wincore, we said there's no way to do this but the right way. So we chose to go with a full composite surround. This is called HydroShield technology. What this allows us to do is to make our entire slab impervious to water, sealed up with no exposed wood, allowing us to give you a lifetime no rot warranty on the slab system as well. Can't rust, can't rot, designed and engineered and built to last a lifetime. Some of the problems you typically see with doors is warping, and that's oftentimes due to moisture damage or moisture penetration. Our exclusive slab design with HydroShield technology allows us to virtually eliminate moisture penetration, which also helps to eliminate warping. Our full-length composite styles help to prevent warp, rot, and rust, along with our fiberglass reinforced skins. They're guaranteed not to rot, splinter, or delaminate. Our insulated polyurethane core makes your door energy efficient and complies with Energy Star requirements in most areas. Leaking air and water. Let's talk about bronze Q-Lon weather stripping. Used in most of our colors as a contrasting, aesthetically pleasing part of the door system, but more importantly, it prevents air and water penetration. When you go to a white door system, we move to a white weather stripping so as not to stand out and take away from the beauty and aesthetics of the door. Our EnduraSeal, it has a high seal dam technology to stop water properly and help it shed forward. Our door sets ahead of it. It's also fully adjustable to make sure you get the tight and right seal, and also to keep the moisture where it belongs, to the exterior of the home. We offer only a dual seal bulb, durable polymer technology inside of our threshold. It has fins as well as bulb seal to compress and maintain over the life of the product. C-fold compression weather stripping is great to protect against air and water infiltration. However, sometimes in strong wind areas it could be used as a siphoning agent, and it would whisk the water up the door jamb. So what we've done is we've added an interlocking corner pad to help prevent that from happening. Simply another reason why 6 or 9 or 12 inches of composite on the bottom of your frame is simply just not enough in today's world. Not working properly. In order to ensure the smoothest and best operation of your door, you need to use heavy-duty ball-bearing hinges. And not just 2 of those hinges on each door, but 3. In order to secure the door and make sure you have less sagging and less issues, we also use 4 screws in each hinge, and we mortise it into the frame as well as the slab. This, along with our HydroShield technology, limits the expansion and contraction of the door system, providing for consistent ease of operation. In order to ensure strength and stability in your door, we have encapsulated a LVL or engineered lumber piece inside on the lock as well as the hinge side. On the lock, it's 3 inches wide, runs the full entire height of the door, offering us many options in placement of your handle sets as well as your deadbolt systems. And on the hinge side, it's a smaller, about 1 inch piece that runs also down the inside, and it allows us to give more strength and stability on the hinge side and the fastening strength. This is unlike many other manufacturers. If you look at the picture to the right, you'll see that many of them use only a 16 or 18 inch lock block, they call it, in order to secure your handle set as well as your deadbolt. It does not run the full entire length of the door, and therefore does not provide stability against warping, does not provide options as far as placement of your handle set, and simply will not stand up over the lifetime of the product. Our unique design system allows us again to offer you a lifetime warranty against warping, splitting, and moisture rot. Can you say curb appeal? The want side of the buying process. Everyone wants their home to look better and to stand out. By going with a pre-finished system, you eliminate buyer's remorse on the day of delivery. Instead of getting a door with an unsightly gray or primered color, it's completely finished and ready to install, providing instant gratification to you as well as your homeowner today. As you can see here, we have many styles and designs available for you to choose from in door slabs. In addition to that, there's over 35 glass options to put inside of each of these styles to decorate your home and design it the way you would like it to be. We offer them in 6'8" options, 7-foot options, and 8-foot options, as well as a unique custom cut-down sizing to fit your door. See your charts, check with your inside sales to find your qualified products in your area. One of our most unique glass packages is our internal blinds, raised, lower, and tilt. Child and pet friendly, no longer can they damage the blinds. They're safely encapsulated inside the insulated glass unit. Our internal blinds give you the peace and comfort of knowing that you can see outside when you prefer, but you can keep others from seeing in as well. As we've learned in the window business, time is money. So the longer you wait for a door, the longer it takes for you to close a deal and to get paid. If you install a door today, and then it takes a week or 2 weeks to finish the door on site, again, that takes more time, and it's longer time before you get paid. We offer up to 13 glass packages on a pre-finished entry door system with an industry-leading 2-week lead time. We're able to do this on a consistent basis because all parts of manufacturing, including the finish, are done in-house under one roof. No door system would be complete without hardware, so why go anywhere else? Our hardware is built into the program and it comes with each door that you ordered. Georgian knobs are standard, and your decorative handle sets would be the Camelot and the Plymouth are an optional upgrade. Multi-point hardware is standard on our 8-foot doors, but comes as an option on our 6/8 if you would like one in a French door or patio door as well. Flare and accent handles can be added on the interior-exterior for decorative needs as well as ADA compliance. Only the highest performing hardware is acceptable for us, so you get a lifetime no tarnish warranty with the highest grade Schlage hardware we offer. All doors come to you with the finest factory finish by Sherwin-Williams, offering over 19 paint colors to choose from and 9 stain colors. All are applied in an environmentally controlled paint room that's sealed with our automotive grade clear coat in order to provide you with a 7-year warranty on all paint finishes and a 10-year warranty on all stain finish. Nothing beats security with our Secure Seal design. Steel strike plates are placed on the jamb as well as the slab and fastened with 4 screws for added security. Our steel back plate on the outside of the jamb helps to secure the deadbolt and prevent jamb split out. All astracals on our patio and French doors are fully adjustable to get the best and strongest seal possible. When you choose all the highest grade products and make them a standard option on every door that you make, it's only then that you can offer a warranty that gives the homeowner true peace of mind. On our slab system, it's designed and engineered to last a lifetime, guaranteed not to shrink, warp, split, crack, or delaminate. All the composite framing materials and brick mold are guaranteed against a lifetime, not to decay. All hardware guaranteed for a lifetime against tarnishing and mechanical defects. All of our glass from ODL or Western Reflections carries a 10-year warranty against seal failure. Our factory applied finishes carry warranty with them as well. On your staining, you carry a 10-year warranty against flaking, checking, blistering, or peeling. And all of our paint finishes offer you a 7-year warranty against the same. All accessories like kick plates, door knockers, mailbox slots, etc. would carry a 5-year warranty, and all are fully transferable. When it comes to beauty, durability, security, and energy efficiency, nothing is too good for your home. That's why at Wincore Windows and Doors we made all these options standard for you in order to build a door that's engineered, designed to last your lifetime.